Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding your PS5 account backup codes. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you set up two-step verification for your PS5 account, you will have been given backup codes to use when you can't approve the two-step verification. Here is how to find your PS5 backup codes again. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top, and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open Users and Accounts. Select Account. Now select Security. In Security, open Backup Codes. Your backup codes are displayed here. If you can't receive verification codes, you can use these backup codes to sign in. Each backup code can only be used once. Record these backup codes and save them for future use. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.